Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 11 in physics, that is work and energy. This is the first chapter of second term portion. And in this particular video, we are going to study what is work. So, our first topic is work or work done. In general term, work is all the activities that we do in our day-to-day life. Okay. For example, when we are reading a book, when we are listening music, when we are watching television, when we are sitting and thinking, all this can be work. But in physics, these activities may not be considered as work. In terms of physics, work is said to be done when a force is exerted on a body and the body moves to a certain distance in the direction of force. Then only we can say that some work has been done. Let us take some example. A horse is pulling a cart. The cart moves in the direction of force with the horse. Then we can say that the horse is doing some work on the cart. Similarly, when we are opening the door or closing the door, we apply force on the door and the door moves from its position. So we are doing work on the door. But if we apply force and the force cannot move the object on which it is applied, no work is done. For example, when a person is pushing a wall by all his might, but the wall is not moved from its position, no work has been done on the wall by the force. Similarly, if a person is standing at one place with heavy load on his head, no work is done by him because the load on his head on which he is applying force is not moving from its place. Okay, children. So if we apply a force on a body and the body move, then only some work is done. Now we shall find out how we calculate the work done on a body. To understand this, let us see an example. Suppose this is a body on which a force is applied. Initially, the body is at A. After the application of force, it moves to a certain distance S to position B. Now we shall find out how much work is done by the force on this body to move this body to a distance S. So we can use the formula work done is equals to force into displacement. How much force is applied on the body multiplied by how much distance the body has traveled by the force. The product of these two can give us work done. Okay, so this is the relationship between work done, force and displacement. Here W is work done, F is the force applied, and S is the displacement of the body. Now we shall find out what is the SI unit of work done. SI unit of work done will be SI unit of force multiplied by SI unit of displacement. That is, SI unit of force is Newton, SI unit of displacement is meter. So SI unit of work done will be Newton meter. It is also called Joule. Symbolically, capital J. So we can say SI unit of work done is Joule. Okay, children, now we shall define what is 1 Joule work. So if 1 Newton force is applied on a body and the body displaces to 1 meter, means if you apply 1 Newton force on an object and the object move to a distance of 1 meter, then we can say 1 Newton meter work is done on the body, and 1 Newton meter means 1 Joule. So this way we can define 1 Joule work. Children, work is a physical quantity. Every physical quantity has some unit. So work done has SI unit of Joule. Work done is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, no direction. Okay. In the next video, we are going to study what is work done against gravity and negative work done, positive work done, and zero work done. Okay, children.